Hello guys, this is El from Eleftheria Business PR. Thank you very much. Welcome back to my channel. We have our Thursday fun. Maybe we have the Thursday fun day, we have our tips and also we have a fun. You need to have some fun because, before you even know it, life is moving so fast. So let's enjoy it. So in today's video, I will share with you a couple of tips on how to grow your Pinterest business account on autopilot. Because you send me a lot of emails and you say, oh, how should I succeed on Pinterest? Why should I do that? Obviously, I'm selling a course, and obviously, you are going out there to make yourself better on, how to use Pinterest and make yourself better businessman by know how to close the sale. But in this video today, I will explain to you a couple of tips and a couple of things to remember, on how to succeed on Pinterest. First of all, you need to think about what is that you want from Pinterest. I mean, do you want to get more sales? For instance, do you want to get brand awareness? Do you want to get like more traffic? So we have here the ads, we have analytics. So you need to actually pay attention and make sure, like, to start painting from there. Like, what do you want from Pinterest? If you want to close more sales, you should be focusing on closing more sales, get more conversions, and earn money. And if you get like $5K, then hit 10K, and then you can get it from there. So this is something that you need to start building from there. And do not forget, you have to pay attention what is working for you. I mean, in generally, we have analytics here. Let's have a look through again on our overview, but also in terms like of your pin designs, for instance, you have to pay attention. This is another tip. Pay attention what design is working for you, what is that bringing you more traffic, for instance, and pay attention what is working or what is not working, or organically or even paid, and then change it. For example, I had a couple of ads you see here, and I have other organic pins that are doing very well. And also I'm checking now, changing my designs, and I'm trying, to pay attention on what is working for me and what is not working. Then I change it, for instance. So this is my top impressions for my boards. This is my board. So we're talking always about my boards, no somebody else's boards. So board, sorry. So, and this is all my performances for a couple of, for last month, this month. So, and this is something that you need to remember or to pay attention on your analytics. This is the second tip. But remember, again, we are have to catch up on what Pinterest is doing in terms of business, and all of your boards and all of your pins, the design, and also, trying to see what you want. If you want sales, if you want views, and remember that views does matter, but if you want to have the sale, you need to focus on this one, get more conversions. And the third tip that I want you to remember is analytics again. I mean, the audience side, because as a vet and as a strategist design my course about how, to convert variety audience for your shop and close the sales rather than wasting time, because you need to treat everyone as, the same. I mean, you need to make sure that you're closing the sale rather than, wasting time. So if you want more sales, again, what I'm saying to you is pay attention. So to the analytics, and again, grow from there, check what is your audience are looking at, and also create content that your audience, base it on your audience needs and wants rather than what you like. This is another thing that you need to remember, because a lot of business owners, they don't know how to do that, and they've got lost in translation. Again, guys, remember, what is that you want? You want more sales, you focus on that. You want more traffic, you want brand awareness, you focus on that and pay attention. And a couple of things that I think there have been updated here and there by Pinterest before. I just noticed. I don't know if you noticed that we have a note. You can leave notes for your boards. And here, if you want, is a private note for you. If you want to have a couple of notes of what is working, what pins, for example, you can keep it here. This is my latest pin. And also the star here for giving us more ideas on what you like. This is something new. And also you can check here, filter your boards again to give you other ideas of what is working for you. This is the latest one, I think. So keep it up, have a look through. And remember, again, because a lot of people ask me on the emails how, to succeed on Pinterest, and you don't have, people don't pay attention. So you need to make sure to ask this question of what is that you want, and then have a strategy of how to get there. And things, remember, keep in mind all those 3 things that you need to grow. So that's it for me today. Thank you very much, and thank you for your comments and for your likes. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you well and enjoy.